surds part 2. First of all, write down the prime factors of the number. 18 can be written as 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now take pairs. Whatever number is in the pair, that will come out of the square root and other remain there. So 18 root can be written as 3 root 2. Next, 27 root. 27 can be written as 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Make one pair. From that pair, 1 is coming outside. 3 root is there. 3 root 3 is the answer. 54 root. 54 can be factorized like 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. This is a pair that will come outside whatever is left. As here it is left 2 multiply 3. That means root 6 is left. So it will be written like this. Look at the another example. Now you solve root 8 and root 72 and write down the answer in comment box.